Saddam Hussein used a powerful tool to kill his enemies. The tool was so powerful that they killed 182,000 Kurdish civilians and mostly got away with it. The same tool was later used by Turkey and more recently by Syrian interim President Ahmed al-Shara in an even stronger way. In the 1980s, former Iraqi dictator Saddam Hussein carried out a genocide against the Kurds. Around 182,000 Kurds, including women and children, were buried alive. The tool he used was a chapter from the Quran called Al-Anfal. In Arabic, Al-Anfal means spoils of war. Even though the Kurds are mostly Muslim, Saddam uses religion to justify mass killings, destruction, and displacement. Instead of just taking land or property, he treated people themselves as spoils of war. This cemetery right here holds some of the victims of the Anfal campaign. Their bodies were brought back from the Iraqi deserts to Kurdistan after Saddam's regime collapsed. After Iran's 1979 Islamic Revolution, Ayatollah Khomeini called the Kurds infidels and used religion to justify mass killings against them. In 2018, Turkey used the religious term Fatah to justify taking over the Kurdish city of Afrin in Rojava. And more recently, the Syrian transitional government used both Anfal and Fatah to justify attacking the Kurds. The Syrian Arab army factions have been brutally killing Kurdish civilians, beheading prisoners of war, disrespecting dead bodies, and leaving besieged Kurdish cities without food, water, and electricity. Even though the Kurds are mostly Sunni Muslims, that didn't protect them from genocide, occupation, and ethnic cleansing in the name of religion.